So I was pawing through a box that I had gotten from an estate that I'm cleaning out. Had a bunch of tubes and other radio junk in it. It was really pretty awful. And when I got to the bottom, I found there was some paperwork in it. What did I see that kind of really piqued my interest? This thing. This is very interesting. I didn't know what to make of it at first, but it's kind of an advertising piece from General Instrument. See the old style logo there. It is from 1962, and it's the MicroPlan-A-Kit. And apparently it was sort of a kind of a crude planning system for very, very early ICs. Let's look at the back. It's in some really bad plastic, but you can see how to design your own microcircuits with this General Instrument MicroPlan-A-Kit. You know what? The plastic is pretty bad, actually. It's still sealed, but I'm going to open it. I just don't like the plastic. And yeah, I know I'm probably ruining some sort of value here, but hey, this is not a Star Wars rare action figure. Let's take a look. I have not actually checked this thing out completely. Okay, does it want to come out? Okay, gonna need a little more surgery here. Maybe a little sticky, I don't know. Oh, it's in beautiful shape in there. Oh, look at that. Glossy. Now, what's interesting is apparently these pieces here, we have microtransistors, microdiodes, microresistors, and microcapacitors. Apparently what you do is you pop these out like game pieces, and you can fool around on this. That is actually a TO5 can, just blown up quite a bit. And supposedly, you can see if you can get your circuit in there. I guess you can stick them down or tape them down, and it says here, General Instrument nanocircuit engineers will build a nanocircuit to satisfy your functional performance requirements. So apparently, you know, these were early ICs, so they're very, very simple. Small scale integration. And this is, I guess, kind of what you do here is you stick the pieces you want, and I guess I don't know, draw the connections between the circuits, the microcircuits. And then the General Instrument guys would then apparently try and lay out the thing on silicon. Interesting. Apparently these particular things have some sort of characteristics. You can see they actually have labels. So like micro R2, I don't know, maybe that's like a 100 ohm resistor or something like that. Who knows? I don't know. And apparently, like with the capacitors, well, the big one here, microcapacitor 8, probably is quite a lot of capacitance relative to the others, simply because, well, capacitance is a function of area. Let's see what's in here. Looks like here we have more advertising stuff, a lot of the same stuff, but typical circuits. Oh, here is some of the specs for the microtransistors and microdiodes. And yeah, you can see here, yeah, like microcapacitor 8, that big guy, is a 100 to 600 picofarad cap. The little guys are 0.5 to 30 picofarads. Same with the resistors. Here are some various things you could do. A flip-flop, steering gate, NOR gate. And here, the puzzle answer sheet. Design a 15 megacycle digital NAND gate microcircuit. Apparently there was a puzzle. Make one of those in here. Well, interesting. 1962. Early integrated circuit technology here. Kind of neat. This is in wonderful shape. It has a few minor creases. I'm not going to worry about those too much. But I think I might just find a nice new plastic bag to put this in to protect it. Very cool. So what is the lesson to be learned? Always look on the bottom of the box. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this interesting view of some advertising, but some really interesting advertising from General Instruments. The early days of integrated circuits, when you really didn't have much to do, or you didn't really have much room to work with, literally. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, maybe subscribe, and I shall talk to you later with whatever I find in other boxes. See you later.